Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Shameen and on this channel I make videos on everything nails related. In today's video I'll be showing you how I did a 24-piece custom set for a client. So right now I'm prepping the nails using primer. It takes the shine off the nail and it also helps the gel polish to stay on the nail for a really long time. So my client sent 2 pics to me as inspo and I'll be taking bits from both of those photos in order to do this set today. In this first photo, she wanted the nails exactly as is with the exception of the nail with the flower accent. And in this other picture, she wanted only the encapsulated clear nail incorporated into her set. So I'll just be showing you how this set came together. And just to note, my client chose a pastel pink as her base color. But in order to show up this pastel pink some more, I went in with 2 coats of white polish to use as a base for these nails. So after I do that, then I'll add the pink. So the color I'm using today is from Lisa Khan and it's actually called Lavender Blush, although I told you that the color I'll be using is a light pastel pink because to me the color looks more of a pastel pink than lavender. But regardless, it's a nice color and I will be applying about 2 coats to the nails and then we're going to go on to the accents. Of course I had to speed up this video because a 24-piece set takes much longer than a regular 10-piece set, but I'm hoping to put a little bit of everything in this video so that you could see. So now it's time to do the accents, and for the first set of accents I will be applying rhinestones to the nails, and I will be using iGel Beauty Jewelry Gel as the adhesive. It's very strong and it's also a no wipe gel, so you don't have any worries about any sticky layer after curing. So on this first nail I will only be putting 1 single rhinestone at the base of the nails, and these would be the thumbnails because they are some of the bigger nails in the set. And on the next set of nails you will see me adding the rhinestones around the entire cuticle area. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to top coat them 1 time and set them aside so I could continue with the rest of the 24-piece set. And of course, if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe down below so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. For the full bling nail, I use some bigger rhinestones first and then I flash cure them into place. Then I added some more jewelry gel over the rest of the nail, and on top of that I'm going to be putting a layer of top coat over the gel, and while these are still wet I'm going to be adding these smaller iridescent gems to fill up the rest of the nail. And as you're going to see, I did these individually. And here you see I take out my phone to look back at the inspiration picture to see if I needed to add more gems. And yes, I had to add more gems to fill up the nails some more. For the last part of this bling nail, I bought out my glitter slash powder catcher because I'll be adding these pixie crystals and I don't want to make a mess, and I also don't want to waste the crystals, so I'm just going to throw them onto the nail. And of course, this is why the gel and the top coat are still wet. And while I was throwing it, I made a mess still, and I threw way too much of the crystals on the nail. So I took some off afterwards. I hit it on the catcher, and then I took the cuticle pusher after and scraped off some of the extra crystals. And once I liked how it looked, I put the nail in the UV lamp to cure. So the last accent for this set is the encapsulated clear nail, and for this, the first item I'm using are these iridescent foils that I'm going to cut up into tiny pieces, and then after that I'm going to take out some iridescent butterflies in pink and white and clear, and then after that you're going to see my chunky glitter come out to make up this encapsulated clear nail. So once again, I'm using the A Milli Builder Base, and I'm just going to apply a layer of that onto the nail. And while it is still wet, I'm going to place the foils, the butterflies and the glitter on the nail, and then I'm going to cure it in the UV lamp for about 1 minute. So this is how the nail looks after curing it, and now it is very rough, so we have to go in with another layer of builder gel to encapsulate all these butterflies and chunky glitter and foil. I had to use like 2 layers of builder gel to get this nail encapsulated properly and smoothly. It's important to remember when you're doing encapsulation on press-on nails that you work using nice thin layers so you don't lose the shape of the nail you're working on. So after I'm satisfied with my encapsulation and everything is sealed in, I wiped off the sticky layer with some alcohol, and after it dries, I'm going to use my file just to sharpen up that coffin shape, and after that I'm going to use the buffer to smooth over the surface of the nail so we could add our top coat and reveal our really nice clear encapsulated nail. So these are the final 2 nails I did for this 24-piece set, and now this is how the entire set looks all together, and it came out really cute. The shape and length is medium coffin. And now for the packaging. When I do 20 or 24-piece sets, I use either one of the cards or a jewelry box or this plastic case that you see here. The double-sided tape is already laid out, so after checking the nails, it's time to pack it up. And what I do is I start with the second biggest nail size at the middle, and you will see me working my way outwards with the smaller sizes in order to fit all the nails into this box. And finally, the cover of this plastic case is reserved for the two largest nail sizes, which is size 0. And after that, you will just see me putting my logo stick on the outside of this plastic case, and that will be it. The set is done. And at the end of this video, I will show you a picture of how the set looks out in the sunlight. So of course, I'm just cleaning it, making sure everything is good. So this is how I made a 24-piece set for my client. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can see more new videos, and I will see you in the next one.